India's cities are vibrant, bustling centers of human activity. They are places of opportunity and growth. But with this growth comes a significant challenge: waste. Each day, our urban centers generate a staggering amount of municipal solid waste. From the food we eat to the products we buy, the scale of this issue is immense. Every single day, India produces over 160,000 metric tons of urban waste. This is a mountain that grows taller with each passing hour, a direct consequence of a thriving, expanding population. The problem is not just the sheer volume of waste, it extends to how we manage it. Our current systems in many places are struggling to keep pace with this relentless tide. It is estimated that city authorities manage to collect only about 70 to 75% of the total waste generated. This gap means thousands of tons of rubbish are left behind on streets, in alleyways, in open plots. It creates unsanitary conditions, becoming a breeding ground for pests, diseases that can harm human health and impact the well-being of entire communities. Of the waste that is collected, an even smaller fraction receives proper treatment. Less than 30% of it is processed, recycled in a scientifically sound manner. The vast majority finds its way to enormous, unmanaged landfills. Here it decomposes slowly, releasing foul odors that plague nearby residents. More insidiously, this decomposing organic matter releases methane, a potent greenhouse gas that contributes significantly to climate change, warming our planet in a silent, invisible process. These overflowing dump sites represent a failure not just of logistics, but of vision. They are a visible symptom of a system under immense pressure, one that was designed for a different era. The traditional method of fixed collection schedules and routes no longer serves our dynamic, ever-changing urban landscapes effectively. Trucks often travel to empty bins that are only half full, wasting precious fuel and time, while other bins, in more crowded areas, overflow long before they are scheduled for pickup. We need a smarter, more responsive approach to restore balance. Well, we really do. The challenges of waste management may seem overwhelming, but we now have powerful new tools at our disposal. Information technology, or IT, is emerging as a crucial ally in this fight. At its core, IT is about the collection, analysis, application of data. When applied to waste management, it turns guesswork into a precise, data-driven operation. It lets city planners see the whole waste ecosystem with newfound clarity. One key role of IT is mapping and data analysis. GIS lets cities create detailed maps that show exactly where waste is generated. Hotspots include markets, residential complexes, commercial districts. This mapping data is invaluable. Officials can design optimized collection routes for garbage trucks. These routes aren't static. They are the most efficient paths, saving hours of labor, cutting fuel use, and lowering carbon emissions. IT also adds transparency through tracking tech. GPS devices on garbage trucks enable real-time location monitoring. That ensures trucks follow routes and finish collections on time. RFID tags on bins can automatically record empties. This digital proof of service helps managers track performance and fill gaps. IT empowers citizens too. Municipal mobile apps connect residents with sanitation departments. Report illegal dumping request, bulk pickups, and receive collection schedule notifications. This two-way system builds shared responsibility and a more responsive service. It's really about connecting people and data. Alongside the broad power of information technology, another innovation is changing waste management at the most local level, the smart bin. On the outside, it may look like a simple container for rubbish, but inside, it is a sophisticated piece of technology designed to solve one of the most common problems in our cities: overflowing garbage. These are not just passive receptacles. They are active, intelligent nodes in a wider network, communicating vital information that helps keep our public spaces clean and tidy. The brain of a smart bin is an ultrasonic sensor, usually mounted inside the lid. This sensor works much like a bat's sonar, emitting sound waves that bounce off the surface of the waste inside. By measuring the time it takes for the echo to return, the sensor can calculate the exact fill level of the bin with remarkable accuracy. Some advanced smart bins are also equipped with temperature sensors. These can detect a sudden rise in temperature, which could indicate a fire starting inside the bin, and send an immediate alert to prevent a potential hazard. All this technology requires a source of power. To operate sustainably and off the grid, many smart bins are fitted with a small solar panel on their exterior. This panel captures sunlight throughout the day, charging a built-in battery that powers the sensors and the communication module. This clever design makes them self-sufficient, eliminating the need for complex wiring or frequent battery replacements. When the sensor detects that the bin has reached a preset threshold, for instance, 85% full, this alert is the key to their effectiveness. It provides real-time, actionable data. Instead of relying on a fixed schedule, the collection team knows exactly which bins need immediate attention. Some models even feature an automatic compactor. When the waste reaches a certain level, a motorized plate presses it down, increasing the bin's capacity by up to 5 times. Others have automatic lids that lock when the bin is full, preventing people from adding more waste and causing it to spill over. This simple feature helps maintain hygiene and reduces unpleasant odors. Well, that's, how smart bins are making a real difference. Section 4. A network of solutions. How IT and smart bins work together. The true revolution in waste management occurs when information technology and smart bins are integrated into a single, cohesive system. Their individual strengths combine to create a powerful, intelligent network. This synergy transforms waste collection from a reactive, often chaotic process into a proactive, highly organized, and efficient public service. The smart bin becomes the eyes and ears on the ground, while the IT platform acts as the central nervous system, processing information and directing action. Imagine a bustling city market. Dozens of smart bins are strategically placed throughout the area. As the day progresses, these bins begin to fill up at different rates. A bin near a popular food stall might fill up in just a few hours, another in a quieter corner remains half empty. In a traditional system, both would be emptied at the same time, regardless of need. But in a smart network, each bin sends real-time data on its fill level to a central cloud-based dashboard, monitored by the city's sanitation department. This is where the IT platform takes over. The software aggregates the data from all the smart bins across the city. It visualizes this information on a digital map, using a simple color-coded system: green for empty, yellow for half full, red for nearly full. Instead of sending trucks on fixed, inefficient routes, the system's algorithm instantly calculates the most optimal collection route, creating a dynamic path that services only the red-flagged bins. The route is sent directly to a navigation device in the nearest garbage truck. The benefits of this integrated network are manifold and transformative. The most immediate and visible benefit is the dramatic reduction in overflowing bins, leading to cleaner streets, improved public health, a more pleasant urban environment. Financially, the savings are substantial. By optimizing routes and dispatching trucks only when necessary, cities can cut fuel consumption, reduce vehicle wear, and lower operational costs by as much as 40%. This frees up municipal funds that can be reinvested into other essential public services, creating a virtuous cycle of improvement and efficiency. The path forward. Challenges on the road to cleanliness. While the promise of a smart waste management system is immense, the journey to widespread adoption is not without its obstacles. Implementing such a sophisticated network requires careful planning, significant investment, and a commitment to overcoming several practical challenges. These hurdles are not insurmountable, but they must be acknowledged and addressed. Acknowledging these difficulties is the first step toward effective, lasting solutions. The most significant initial barrier is the cost. Smart bins, with their embedded sensors, solar panels, communication hardware, are considerably more expensive than traditional metal or plastic bins. The back-end IT infrastructure. servers, software platforms, data analytics tools also requires substantial upfront investment. For many municipalities on tight budgets, securing capital is a major challenge. This financial hurdle can slow adoption and limit projects to small pilots. Beyond setup, there's the ongoing issue of maintenance. Technology requires regular upkeep to function correctly. Sensors can be affected by dirt, moisture, physical damage. Solar panels must be kept clean to charge batteries effectively. Electronic components can fail and need repair or replacement. This requires a trained workforce of technicians who can diagnose and fix problems quickly, keeping the network reliable and data streams uninterrupted. Another critical factor is public awareness and participation. Technology is only effective if citizens use it correctly. Waste segregation at source is key. Wet waste, dry waste, hazardous waste. Even the smartest bin cannot sort what's placed inside. Extensive public awareness campaigns are needed to educate residents on segregation and how to use new systems. Without citizen cooperation, recycling and resource recovery potential is severely limited and the system can't reach maximum efficiency. Section 6. A vision for a cleaner tomorrow. The power of collective action. The story of waste in India's cities is at a turning point. We stand before a choice: continue with overwhelmed systems, or embrace the innovative tools of the future. The integration of information technology and smart bins offers a clear path forward. These technologies are not a magical cure, but they are powerful enablers of change. They can transform linear disposal into circular resource management, making our cities cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable. The success of this transformation will not depend on technology alone. It will require a concerted effort from all sectors of society. City governments must show leadership by investing in smart infrastructure. City governments must create policies that encourage innovation. They must commit to training the sanitation workforce. Equip workers with skills to operate and maintain new systems. Collaboration through public-private partnerships can be instrumental. Bring financial resources. Bring technological expertise. Bring operational efficiency. Technology can optimize collection, but zero waste starts at home. Segregate waste at source. Wet food scraps, separate them. Dry recyclables, separate them. Clean raw materials fuel the circular economy. Use city apps to report issues. Treat public spaces with respect. Be guardians of our environment. The future can be bright. Streets free of litter, where waste is seen not as a burden but as a resource. Technology plus human effort creates a cleaner, healthier world for generations to come. The path is clear, and the tools are within our reach. Embrace data, deploy smart solutions, foster a culture of collective responsibility. We can turn the tide on waste and build the clean, green, vibrant cities we deserve. The change has already begun.